Ugh, the scratchy throat, the body aches, the chills. The dreaded flu is here, isn't it? Feeling like you've been hit by a truck and facing down a week of misery? Don't despair. Before you raid the medicine cabinet for questionable concoctions, let's explore some powerful natural remedies that can help you kick the flu's butt and feel like yourself again faster. Hi everyone, I'm Shereen, and I'm here to share some amazing home remedies that can turn your frown upside down when the flu comes knocking. Now, I'm not saying these are magic potions. Remember, the flu needs its course. But these natural powerhouses can soothe your symptoms, boost your immune system, and get you back on your feet feeling great way faster. So whether you're a seasoned flu fighter or just starting out, get ready to discover 5 incredible home remedies using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. From honey's soothing power to ginger's spicy kick, we'll explore the science behind each remedy and show you exactly how to use them. But remember, prevention is always key, so I'll also share some bonus tips to keep that pesky flu at bay in the future. Let's dive in and conquer this flu together. Kicking off our list at number 5 is garlic, a staple ingredient in kitchens around the world, but also a powerhouse when it comes to fighting the flu. For centuries, garlic has been celebrated not just for its bold flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits. Its secret, powerful antimicrobial properties that make it a formidable foe against viruses and bacteria. The magic of garlic lies in its compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, allicin is released. This is where the healing begins. Allicin boosts the immune system by increasing the activity of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against the flu virus. This means your body becomes better equipped to fight off the virus, reducing the severity and duration of symptoms. Incorporating garlic into your diet is both easy and delicious. You can start by adding minced garlic to your soups, sauces, and stir-fries, which not only enhance the flavor, but also increase your immune defense. For a more direct approach, consider taking a garlic supplement, especially during flu season. If you're feeling adventurous, try eating a clove of raw garlic, though you might want to keep some breath mints handy. Remember, the key is consistency. Make garlic a regular part of your meals to harness its full flu-fighting potential. So next time you're stocking up on remedies for flu season, don't walk past the garlic. This common ingredient might just be your best ally in staying healthy and flu-free. At number 4, we're shining the spotlight on the vibrant world of vitamin C-rich foods. Oranges, kiwis, and strawberries aren't just delicious. They're packed with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient in our fight against the flu. This group of superfoods plays a vital role in bolstering our immune defenses, making them a must-have during flu season. Vitamin C is much more than just an immune system booster. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells from damage by free radicals and supports the body's natural ability to fight off infections. When flu season hits, a robust immune system is your best defense, and vitamin C is key in making that defense as strong as possible. It enhances the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections, and helps these cells function more effectively while protecting them from potentially harmful molecules like free radicals. Incorporating these vitamin C powerhouses into your daily diet is both simple and tasty. Start your day with a smoothie made from oranges, kiwis, and strawberries to get a flavorful boost of vitamin C. Snack on bell peppers and broccoli, other great sources of vitamin C, throughout the day to keep your immune system fueled. And don't forget about other citrus fruits like grapefruits and lemons, which can easily be added to your meals or infused in your water for an extra dose of this essential nutrient. During flu season, aim to increase your intake of these vitamin C-rich foods to help keep your immune system at its peak. Remember, while vitamin C can't prevent the flu entirely, it can significantly reduce the severity and duration of symptoms, helping you recover faster. So, make sure to load up on these vitamin C-rich foods and give your immune system the support it needs to fight off the flu. Moving on to number 3, let's dive into the soothing world of hot baths. When the flu hits, it's not just about fighting the virus, it's also about easing the symptoms that come with it. Hot baths have been a go-to for relaxation and symptom relief for ages. But did you know they can also be quite effective in your battle against the flu? Submerging in a hot bath does wonders for the body, especially when you're feeling under the weather. The steam helps in opening up nasal passages, making it easier to breathe, while the warm water works to relax tense muscles that often accompany flu symptoms. Beyond physical relief, the warmth promotes a sense of well-being and can significantly improve your sleep quality, a critical component in the healing process. As your body relaxes in the bath, your mind follows, allowing for restorative sleep that boosts immune function and aids recovery. However, while hot baths can be incredibly beneficial, it's important to approach them with caution during flu season. First and foremost, avoid water that's too hot, as it can raise your body temperature too much, which isn't ideal when you're already fighting an infection. Aim for a comfortable warmth that allows you to relax without overheating. It's also crucial to stay hydrated. A hot bath can cause you to sweat, and when you're already at risk of dehydration from the flu, drinking plenty of water before and after your bath is key. Lastly, listen to your body. If you start feeling dizzy or overly tired, it's time to get out. So the next time you're feeling bogged down by flu symptoms, consider drawing yourself a warm bath. It's a simple yet effective way to alleviate discomfort and promote overall relaxation and recovery. Just remember to keep the water at a safe temperature and stay hydrated. Sliding into number 2 on our list, we explore the comforting world of herbal teas. When it comes to flu remedies, few things are as soothing and beneficial as a warm cup of tea. From the immune-boosting powers of echinacea to the calming properties of chamomile and the decongestant effects of peppermint, herbal teas offer a variety of benefits to help manage flu symptoms. Echinacea tea is renowned for its ability to enhance the immune system, potentially reducing the duration of the flu. Peppermint tea, with its menthol content, acts as a natural decongestant, helping to clear your sinuses and relieve sore throats. Meanwhile, chamomile tea is a superstar when it comes to relaxation. It soothes the mind and can help you get the restful sleep your body needs to fight off the virus. Each of these teas brings its own set of advantages to the table, providing natural ways to support your body through the flu. Brewing the perfect cup of herbal tea involves more than just steeping a bag in hot water. For echinacea, start with fresh or dried roots or flowers. Steep in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes to extract its full benefits. Peppermint tea is best with fresh leaves if available, but dried works well too. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like it. For chamomile, use dried flowers and let them steep for about 5 minutes to achieve a calming effect without bitterness. To enhance the healing properties and taste, consider adding a spoonful of honey, especially if you're dealing with a sore throat. And don't forget, staying hydrated is key, so sip on these teas throughout the day. Incorporating herbal teas into your flu recovery routine is not only effective, but also enjoyable. Whether it's the immune-boosting echinacea, the soothing chamomile, or the clearing peppermint, these teas offer a gentle and natural way to support your body's healing. So next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for a warm cup of herbal tea and let nature do its work. Topping our list at number 1 is something so simple, yet so often overlooked: rest and recovery. When battling the flu, giving your body the time it needs to heal is paramount. It's not just about taking a day off work, it's about prioritizing rest as your primary treatment. But why is rest so crucial? During sleep, your body goes into repair mode. This is when the immune system kicks into high gear, releasing cytokines, which are proteins that help promote sleep but also fight off infections and inflammation. Essentially, good sleep doesn't just feel restorative, it actively strengthens your body's ability to resist and recover from the flu. Creating a restful environment is key to quality sleep. Start by making your bedroom a sanctuary for rest. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to block out disturbances, and invest in comfortable bedding that helps you feel relaxed. Establish a bedtime routine that signals your body it's time to wind down, perhaps including a warm bath or reading a book. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. And remember, while naps can be beneficial, try to keep them short and not too late in the day to avoid disrupting nighttime sleep. In the fight against the flu, never underestimate the power of rest. It's the foundation upon which all other remedies build their effectiveness. By ensuring you get plenty of sleep, you're giving your body the best possible chance to fight off the virus and bounce back stronger. So make rest and recovery your number 1 priority, and watch how much quicker you can return to your healthy, vibrant self. These natural remedies are not only effective in easing symptoms, but also in nurturing your body's innate healing abilities. We encourage you to integrate these practices into your wellness routine and see the difference they can make. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Share your own remedies or experiences with flu recovery in the comments below. What works for you? What are your go-to strategies for staying healthy? Your insights could be a beacon of hope for someone else in our community. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, guides, and updates. Together, let's embrace a healthier, more natural approach to well-being. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.